Hello sweet friends and crafters, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today I have a video sharing with you the dies from the Scrapdiva Design October 1st release, and I'm going to share with you the dies that I used in my project. I will have affiliate links in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop should you decide you'd like to purchase the die. When you use the affiliate link, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps me in my channel, and I wish to thank you so very much for doing that. Also, you can use Carol10 for 10% off your order. So what I have here is called, and I'll turn it over for you, it's called the Memorydex Pocket Set. So you have a Memorydex card, and this is the base for the Memorydex card, and it's a regular size, and you get the stitched piece to put your designer paper, cut it and put it on top of here. Then you have this piece to make your pocket. Then you have this piece that makes the cover, so you have a indent, not an indent, but a little line right here, which embosses a score line in the paper so that you fold this over. So you attach it to the top of your Memorydex card like this, and then you fold it over and fold it again, so it is a cover for your box, and you'll see mine and you'll get an idea of how that works. And then you get a stitched piece to cut your designer paper for the box top, and then you get a piece that's stitched to cover for the outside of your box, and then these cut out to decorate your box sides. So you get quite a few pieces in this die set, so that's what I used. I also used an older die which is called a Poinsettia Flower Set. I use that to make poinsettias. And then I use this die, which is the Thankful Word number 2, and it has the word grateful, thankful, and blessed. Sorry about that. Blessed. And then I use this older die set. I don't know what the name of it is, but like I said, I will have the dies in the description box below. So in this die set, you get Jolly, you get Holly, Believe, and I use Believe. You get Mary, Santa, and Christmas. So I use the Believe out of here. So I'm going to share with you my project, but before I do that, let me just say, if this is your first time here or you're new, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your comments and support. So let me go ahead and turn this a little bit so you can get the full look of this. So what I have here is a box. Now, this makes a wonderful gift. So I do have With Love at Christmas on this tag that I made, and it's blank on the back so that I can write to and from. This would make a wonderful Christmas present. There's a little gingerbread. There are those poinsettia from Scrapdiva. And I'm going to open this up, and you're going to see how I used the Memorydex cards. And this is what I did with my Memorydex boxes. So right down here I have With Love at Christmas again with a little gingerbread. And on each of the boxes I have decorated from this paper kit. This paper kit is from the Shabby Craft Room. It is a monthly subscription, and I think this was called Sugar Coated Candy, this set. It was for October. And I use the Scrapdiva design words, and you'll see the first Memorydex says grateful, the second one says blessed, the third one is thankful, and the last one is believe. And you can see the little decorations that I put on these boxes. Now, I did this for a specific reason, and I'm going to show you. You can open up these Memorydex boxes, and each box I have a set of 2 bracelets. And this one says grateful to go along with the outside of my box that says grateful, and I got this cute little snowman. So this actually, you wear it like this with the Santa, not Santa, but snowman. So here we have, I'll show you how I wear it. All right, so that's how you would wear it. It says grateful, like that, with the little snowman. Super cute. Darling little bracelet set. And then that one goes in here. And this makes a beautiful gift idea. Then we go to blessed. And in this one, I have a bracelet that says blessed right there. And then this one has a little snowman charm on it. Now, you can mix and match these bracelets as you wish, but I thought it would be fun to have the words match what was on the bracelets. Now I have thankful, and we'll take these 2 bracelets out. It will fit more than 2. If you wanted to put a set of 3, it would work. So for this one, I have a Christmas tree, pink Christmas tree, and of course this one says thankful. And it matches the word on the outside of the box. And then last one with the little gingerbread opens up, and here we have the word believe, and then I have this little one that has a charm that says Noel. And I just thought this would be a beautiful gift for Christmas. Now, you don't have to put bracelets in it. You could put recipe cards, would be awfully fun. Candy, anything you could think of. Now, I am really late getting my October projects. I would love to do a tutorial for this, and I cannot put the time into it right now. So I am going to leave the measurements for this box right here in case you want to try it on your own. If I have time, I'll come back and do this. But all this is like the gusset that you would make to make a mini album, as you can see here. And I have an inch between each one of these. So you're going to take, my gusset is 4 1/4 inches wide, which is this way, and then it was 7 inches long, and you're going to score at 1 inch, a 1/2 inch, and then 1 1/2 inches, 1 inch, 1 1/2, 2, then 3, 3 1/2, and 4, then 5, 5 1/2, and 6, and 7. Oh yeah, I had to add onto here. So 7, 7 1/2, 8. So it's going to be 4 1/4 by 8. I'm so sorry about that. I did have to add onto it. So yeah, it's 8. And then I don't have anything on here. I just left it like that. Okay. And then the cardboard is 4.5 by 4.25. And then that's all these pieces, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this one is 4.5 by 2 inches. And then you're going to bind it together like you would putting a mini album together. So you're going to have like a little bit of a 1/4 inch space in between them all. It takes 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper to put it together, and then you just cover it. And then you just fold this over and do whatever type of mechanism that you want to close it. And I have this little, it's like a jewelry box closure right there. And it's pretty simple. Like I said, I would do a tutorial, but I don't have time. And then this piece is 1 inch wide by 11 inches, and it is turned over 1/4 inch on either side and then just attached on top. So let me go down like this so you can see the front of it a little bit better. And then there's the inside. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. I hope you liked this project. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.